Vanessa Desir. Yeah, Vanessa Desir.
Right.
Nah. Haitians, Vanessa Desir.
So my favorite.
Yeah, she know that too. I hit her up every day. Yeah, she know that.
How she know that?
Text her every day and tell her, yeah, you're my favorite. She know that. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Fuck it. Hey, Union Sweet. My name is P. Chris, and today I'm sharing with you guys some of my faves. Favorite class is story. I love it because it tells you everything about what you need to know. With him, I don't know why, but yeah, it's him. Favorite food, diri soswa légumes. Hennessy, because anything is possible with Hennessy. Favorite celebrity crush is Shensia. Yeah, that's my, because I don't listen to Jamaican music. So yeah. My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. I don't watch sport, but I pick Michael Jordan because of sneakers. Because I don't watch no sport. I really don't. I don't. But yeah, Shensia. Don't ask me for no more, because I'm giving y'all only one answer. Vanessa Desir. Yeah, Vanessa Desir.
Right.
Nah. Haitians, Vanessa Desir.
So my favorite.
Yeah, she know that too. I hit her up every day. Yeah, she know that.
How she know that?
Text her every day and tell her, yeah, you're my favorite. She know that. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Fuck it. My favorite compa song is Choco Choco. La la, pal manger yon chocolat. Ton 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 ton. Love women that know how to cook, clean, smart. Yeah, cause that's all I need. I need to eat, so yeah. So you gotta know how to cook. Number one. No, you gotta be clean too, but cook, man, that's the main thing, yeah, you know? Yeah. Take you out to eat. I know women love to eat, so yeah, I'm gonna take you out. I'm not just gonna take you to a regular place, but a place that to impress you, a nice place. I don't care how much it costs to eat, but I'll take you there. My favorite go-to apology gift is a nice bag, shoes, or necklace. I'm not bringing flowers. I don't do flowers. Citadel? I don't know. Que boa Citadel lá é? Ocap? Yeah. Citadel, because I always want to go there. Yeah, my favorite TV show growing up is Lucky Shot. Lucky Shot. My favorite TV show growing up is Lucky Shot. Favorite things to do alone, play my video games. I don't care what you say. You could break your neck. I don't care. I'm playing my video games. I'm going online. Yeah. My favorite song, it's in the album. I can't say the name. I'm not gonna give y'all no hints. It's in the album. Cause my friends support me, family, everybody, fans. So yeah, I love it. And I get to explain myself when I'm doing it. Cause I don't talk a lot. So when I do it, that's the only way I explain myself and I talk. So yeah, I love it like that. Yeah. My favorite age when I was turning 21, cause I remember I got locked up the week it was supposed to be my birthday. Yeah. It was supposed to be the week. Then it was gonna be my birthday, and then I got locked up and I didn't even enjoy my birthday. And I remember.
We got locked up together.
Yeah, that was the week. Yeah. My my goal, favorite things to do when I stress, I play video games, go online, talk shit to people that's playing online with me. And that's it. And I do music, listen to music, and write songs, and express my feelings. My favorite non-music job is go to my friend's house. I feel like it's a job. I call out of my job to go to their house. My favorite things between the club and the house party, I pick the club because I know the club, my friends coming with me and I'm find somebody in there that know me, so yeah. Cell phone, my wallet, money, food. What else?
You leave the house with food?
No.
That's a fact.
Yeah, I do. Cause I know if I go outside, I'm fine. I'll probably go to my mom's house, eat something, go to Wheaton house, eat something, go to my friend's house, eat something. So, yeah. Cause I don't live with nobody. I live by myself. So yeah. So yeah. My favorite parts of the day, you didn't mention it, but it's night. Cause I don't sleep. I stay up at night. I go to sleep probably like in the morning or afternoon. Cause night, I stay up all night. Just think, do music, chill, watch TVs, play games. Yeah, cause I'm a night person. Top 5 Haitian artists. First one, myself, Witem, Baki, Peak, Phantom, Combat. Combat. I ain't gotta say why. Just combat. Yeah, combat. Don't hate me, but I don't listen to compa, so I don't really have a top 5 one. Probably listen to one because everybody listen to it when I'm around all the time, so they got me used to it. But I'm not a compa fan. I'm not judging though. It's just not me. It's just not me. I'm not judging. I'm not a compa fan. Now I get bored when I'm driving with somebody who listen compa the whole time we in a car. My favorite video game is Call of Duty Mortal Kombat. Nobody can beat me that. And Baki know that. My favorite one was in Irvington because it was like this is my hometown and everybody showed me love, and that was my favorite one. It was in Irvington, New Jersey, because everybody come out, and it was my first performance after Jacques Ketan, and everybody come out, show me love, and I really like it, and I appreciate everybody for doing that. My favorite words in life is loyalty. I'm gonna carry that to the day I die. Top 3 things: save your money, stay home, cause you gonna get fat. Third one is that's the only times you learn how to be alone, cause you can't connect with nobody. You don't talk. The only way you talk to people is over your phone, but people can come to your house. So yeah, that's the only time you learn how to be alone.